You're selling your property, so what can you expect from your real estate agent once you've had an open home? I'm Karen Jones, busy mum of two, small business owner and a local real estate agent. I don't know about you, but I always seem to be running from one thing to the next, between home, work, friends and family, and two things I need for my hectic schedule to work are organisation and communication. When you're selling your home, it's just another thing added to your list of things to do. It's not just having your home on the market, it's keeping the home tidy, the constant thoughts about how the marketing is going, as well as looking towards the future. And that's where I step in. As a good agent, I intimately know the processes involved. Having bought and sold many homes myself, I have been in your shoes. So you have your property for sale, what can you expect from your agent following an open home? After every inspection, either myself or one of my team will give you a call with feedback straight away. How many came through, any real interest, and if we have scheduled a further private inspection. We need to know which of our marketing strategies is working best for your property, which is why we ask where potential buyers saw your home advertised. Mondays are one of our busiest days in the office, completing the follow-up calls, making notes in our system so that you can be fully informed via your written vendor reports during the week. We'll also send you a copy of your weekly reports from realestate.com and Domain. We find that potential buyers generally appreciate the time we take to ask for feedback following an inspection. The comments recorded are real and honest. It's my job to know what's going on in the current market, and talking to people keeps my information relevant, so we adjust our marketing strategies accordingly. You're busy. You don't want to have to chase someone up for information and updates, and you want to know that you are treated individually. I love what I do, and it is my absolute pleasure to look after the sale process for you. If you would like to know more, please contact me today and see how I can make your busy life easier.